Hey, DIYers, and welcome back to DIY Hookup. Today I'm sharing with you this beautiful do-it-yourself wood sign. So I started with this old scrap wood that I had sitting in my shop, and I went ahead and stained it with a dark chestnut stain. This is what it looked like after I stained it. I also made a stencil that says Home Sweet Home on my Cricut machine. And there's the stencil. I've already weeded it and applied it to the wood. So the first step we're going to do is add some Mod Podge, a light layer of Mod Podge, and what this is going to do is seal the stencil so that when you add the paint you don't have any bleeding. So again, you just want to add a light layer of Mod Podge, and once it dries you're ready to use your paint. I'm using chalk paint from Walmart, the Waverly brand. And this is the stencil with the Mod Podge all over it. So you want to wait for it to dry. This side is already dry. So I'm just taking a foam brush and tapping the paint up. I'm tapping my brush up and down just like this. And this also helps with the bleeding as well. So this is the stencil after I've already applied all the chalk paint, and this is what it looks like after it's dried. So the next thing I'm doing is I have this twine here from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just wrapping it around on each end of the board. So this is what it looks like when it was completed. It's just a beautiful farmhouse style wood sign. If you guys are interested in purchasing this sign, I'm gonna have it listed at my Etsy store. And you can click in the description bar on the link that I'll provide for you, and it'll bring you right to my store if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful sign. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy DIY. If you did, please give me that thumbs up, share the video, leave me a comment, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next DIY hookup.